Hello, I'm Teresa with Teresa Renee Art. I'm also the owner of Decoupage Queen. We create rice papers, stencils, scrapbook papers, and other products for mixed media and decoupage.
Hi, everyone. My name is Michelle Adamus, and I am the owner of a creative business. I'm the creative force, Mia's Vintage Revival Design Co., and I'm located in Northern Virginia.
Hi, friends. My name is Michelle Allen, and my business name is Michelle Bell Creations. I live in Wichita, Kansas.
Hi, I'm Kimberly Sminky of Lolly Doodle Studios. I have been a mama and a creative all my life.
Hello everyone. I am Teresa from Teresa's Spot for Art, where I love sharing art from my heart and teaching you how to create a little joy in your life through some fun, simple and quick art projects.
Hi, I'm Lisa. I have a creative business called Lisa Boone Designs, and I started out painting furniture, and I loved it so much, and it just grew.
My name is Carrie, and I am the owner and creative with Steel Roots Market. Live in upstate New York with my husband, Scott.
Hi there, I am Heather and my page is Velvet and Vines Design, and I'm happy to bring you this tutorial of a fall tablescape.
My name is Candy with Candy's Creations, and I have been in business for about 10 years, and I am located right outside of Savannah, Georgia.
Hello, it's Holly Miller with Country Road Crafts. As an ADHD creative, I understand the challenges of staying focused and organized, especially when it comes to designing projects.
My name's Amanda with Simply Flamazon Art, the Creative Course Collab, and the ATC Mystery Box. I live in Virginia, in Charlottesville, Virginia, the foothills of the Blue Ridge.